So what is up, guys? We're back. Summon Attack is back. By the way, in the last video, guys, I did not mention that you should join the fam. Should begin the swim. Should join the journey. Okay, we're going on a YouTube journey. We are going in this together. Anybody that wants to join and be there the whole way, please subscribe now, because you'll be there from the beginning. From right now, we have 13 subscribers all the way to the end, and you'll be happy that you did. So, please subscribe. I know you'll not regret it, and let's get into the video. Today, we're going to... Okay, so, about this copy RC car. If you guys do not know what I'm talking about, please click on the video. Link it down below, and it should be in the suggestions. But anyway, about the RC car, watch the video to find out why it's junk, why it scammed me, why I thought it wasn't a scam, and why I spent so much money on it in the video down below in the description. So, let's get into this, and we are going to tear this thing up. One run at this. We need to be a little bit quiet, though, because it's going to be loud. Anyway, I feel like it's going to break on the first run, so we're only going to get one run at this. We got to make it a good one. So, I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to try to do it in slow-mo. Okay, I will be back in slow-mo. Guys, we're back, and we just drove that piece of crap scam car down the stairs, destroyed, got in slow-mo, everything's great, except the car does not work anymore. We have some minor scrapes and scuffs here, as you can see. Put the batteries in. I do not think that it's still operational, but let's pray that maybe we can do some more crazy stuff with this thing. Oh, okay, so it's still gonna work. We do have some extreme damage all over, like some chunks out the plastic and other things. I am aware PayPal may not reimburse me if I destroy it. So, we're gonna be beasts and destroyed anyway. So, that's all for today's video, guys. I figured, since they scammed us, we're gonna rub in their face, make a video, throw it down the stairs, drive it down the stairs, whatever. That was pretty cool. That was pretty fun. Like I said, guys, if you want to take the swim, if you want to join the journey and be on the journey from now until when we are up there and when we are big, it's awesome, and you need to subscribe now, because then I can take you all the way, and I know you will not regret it. You're in the family now. Just subscribe, join the squad, take the swim, and I will see you guys in the next one. So, that's all for today. Peace out, guys, and we're swimming in tech.